Okay, so after letting the engine warm up, and probably have to hold the choke for some time to get it stable, and then before the 5 minutes.
You've used engines enough all your life to know how to get them warmed up.
Yeah.
And now you've got two positions, high and low range.
Okay, what is it in now?
When it's up is high.
Okay.
And down is low.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes to get it to go in, you have to kind of let it out in neutral a little bit.
Like, familiar with that, sure.
Yeah. So you've got low, neutral, and high.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's a lot smoother operating if you're operating in high range. In other words, it jerks a lot if you're down here and you're
a lot of gear lash.
trying to back out. There's a lot of this business. So those are the main pointers, I think. And
okay.
whenever you leave the tractor, leave it, and then leave that turned off.
Okay, and that's vertical. Turning it towards you is.
You know up here by looking. Look at this.
Yeah, the light, exactly as you mentioned. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, which position on here is reverse?
Oh, well, they're all marked off on there. I do it more by feel than by looks. Let's see.
Okay, yeah, because I don't see any labels.
Ahead. Well, they're buried in the grease.
Yeah. Okay, so why don't you? That's first, right? There is low first. Looking for your light.
I had a rag here that I could wipe the dirt off for you, but I don't see it now.
Okay, that's okay. I think okay. Well, I'll know that in the recording. I'll know that it's labeled. Yeah. But it'll also be good to know mostly where reverse is. But just in general, does it have a standard H pattern, or is it?
I don't recall. It's kind of embedded in my brain. You know?
Yeah.
First, you got third. I think it is. And up here is I just don't remember, but way over.
Yeah, you have to go over toward the left.
Right.
And you'll feel a spring.
Correct.
Then you push forward, and that's reverse. Push it toward the engine, and that's reverse. Correct. Got it. That's the most important one. The other ones you can kind of guess. Yep. If it doesn't want to move, you can say, okay, I'm in a high gear.
and you can sit here and try it.
Exactly. Exactly. Yep. Perfect.
I guess that's what I do. Once in a while, I try to think about it, and I say, well, where is that? Well, just try it. You know,
yeah. Reverse is the once I know it's a spring-loaded one like that. That's easy. Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right.
So
that's off, right?
And that's off.
Okay, I'm going to stop the recording now.